Hey everybody, and welcome back to another lecture with Coding with Roby. And in this video of the Python Bootcamp, we're going to learn about string formatting. So as we remember, we can create a variable with a type string by saying first name equals Eric. And then we can print Eric by saying print parentheses and then passing in the variable of first name into it as the parameter. If we save this application and then right click and then run string formatting, we can see that we get Eric printed to the terminal. Now we can also concatenate a string by adding in more information and then printing that as well. So right before first name, let's do double quotation marks, type in hi, and then plus first name. If we save the application now, and we right click and run string formatting, we can see that we get hi Eric, but without a space. If we wanted a space, we can just add a space right at the end of hi, and rerun the application. Now another way we can do this is by using something called an F formatting string. And the way we can use this F formatting string is right here before hi and before the double quotation marks, but in the parentheses of print, we can pass in an F. And then right here we say first name. We can now wrap first name in curly brackets and then go ahead and delete the plus sign. But we do need to add the double quotation marks around the entire string that we want to concatenate and print. If we save the file now and run the application, we'll get the exact same output of hi Eric. Now another thing we can do is pass it in as a format. So let's create another variable called sentence, which is just equal to hi and then an empty curly bracket. Now underneath, we can format this string and then pass in a variable as the format. So let's type in print, and then inside the parentheses, we'll say sentence, which is referencing the variable above, dot format, and then inside the parentheses of format, we'll then pass in the variable of first name. If we save this application and then rerun it, we'll see that we get hi Eric twice. And let's go over what we wrote so far. We have a variable of first name, which is equal to Eric. We print hi Eric using our F string. So because we're using our F string, we can just pass in our variable as curly brackets. If we take away the F string, we're no longer allowed to do this because these curly brackets in first name will actually just get printed out as the string. We then say sentence, hi, empty brackets, print sentence.format first name, and it's just going to fill in the brackets of where this works. If we wanted to create another variable of last name, right under sentence, and for my example, I'll say it's equal to Roby, we can now just pass in another empty bracket here, and right after first name, we can say comma last name. If we run the application, we'll now get hi Eric Roby. And then I'm going to remove this print and recreate it underneath all of this by saying print. I'm going to create this by using an F string. Hi Eric Roby, I hope you are learning. If we now save this, we'll say, hi Eric Roby, I hope you are learning. Now understanding concatenation and adding strings together is an extremely important concept with development. This wraps up string formatting, and I will see you in the next video.